This video will demonstrate how to detect and analyze exceptions inside running Perl applications. Open the OpenResty X-Ray web console in the web browser. Make sure it is the right machine you are watching. You can choose the right machine from the list below if the current one is not correct. Go to the guided analysis page. Here you can see different types of problems that you can diagnose. Let's select errors and exceptions. Click on Next. Select the Perl application. Select Whole application. Make sure that the application type is right. Usually, the default should be correct. OpenResty X-Ray can analyze multiple language levels at the same time. We'll keep both Perl and C selected. We can also set the maximum analyzing time. We'll leave it as 300 seconds, which is the default value. Let's start analyzing. The system will keep performing different rounds of analysis. Now it's executing the first round. The first round is done and it's already on the second one. That's enough for this case. Stop analyzing. It automatically generated an analysis report. This is the type of problem we diagnose. It's errors and exceptions. The report shows the code path that throws out the most Perl exceptions. Perl die is a function inside the Perl VM for throwing out exceptions. The download file function under the core module is a function in the business code for downloading files. This series of functions belongs to the Dancer 2 web framework. For example, core route execute executes the processing function of the matched route. _dispatch route is used to dispatch the current web request to the corresponding route handler. Click more to see more details. The hot code path was automatically inferred from this Perl land exceptions flame graph. Below are more detailed explanations and suggestions regarding the current issue. It mentions the Perl die function. It can detect exceptions during Perl script execution by checking error messages. It explains the download file function we saw earlier. Let's go back to the hot code path. Hover the mouse over the green box for the function. You can see the source file of this Perl function in the tooltip. The Perl source line number is 100. Click the icon to copy the source file path. On the terminal, use the Vim editor to open the source file. Paste the file path we just copied. You can use any editor you like. Go to line 100, as OpenResty X-Ray suggested. This is caused when using a Perl array variable reference as a hash table reference. The exception is actually caught by higher level Perl code, so it doesn't terminate the application. Nevertheless, OpenResty X-Ray can still accurately detect such exceptions and report them to the user. OpenResty X-Ray can also monitor online processes automatically and show analysis reports. Go to the Insights page. You can find the reports on the Insights page for daily and weekly periods. For this reason, you don't have to use the guided analysis feature. Though guided analysis is useful for application development and demonstration purposes. OpenResty X-Ray is a non-invasive diagnostic system based on our own dynamic tracing technology. It can monitor and scan performance problems, behavioral issues, and security vulnerabilities in real time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.